Hey friends, it's Sejal and welcome to my channel. As holiday season is coming up, getting so excited to decor the home. Today let's make this awesome redbud berry holiday wreath. To make this, I used wreath and white spray paint from Walmart. All the other stuff is from Dollar Tree. I spray painted 3 coats of paint, and when last coat was wet, I sprinkled fake snow over it. Let it dry completely. I got these 5 berry branches from Dollar Tree. And this garland ties. And these 5 bird clips. And this white Christmas ornament and these small Christmas trees. First of all, I spreaded the branches and placed at equal distance on the wreath. And then tied them to wreath with garland ties. Then removed clip from bird decoration and glued them between 2 branches. To make this secure, using white pipe cleaners, I tied these birds to the wreath. At 1 or 2 spots, I found little bit gap, so I cut those ties and just placed them there. If you see from back, it looks like this. Now, to cover this hole, I just put one small berry on both white Christmas tree. And then arrange these trees at the base and glued them also. Now to make a loop, I used 2 garland ties. Wrap them with one another. And then made a loop to hang it to the door. So this is a final result. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Till the time, bye bye. Happy holidays.